Welcome to ACCU Design, a story of innovation, growth, and excellence in engineering. From humble beginnings to achieving milestones in defense, robotics, and mechanical engineering, this is our journey. Our story began in 1992 when we started with a small in-house setup for an auto electronic company. As a supplier to Bajaj Auto, we specialize in PCB job work, soldering transducers and ICs with precision. This small-scale business ran successfully for 4 to 5 years, laying the foundation for our journey. In 1995, we took a big leap by installing our first lathe machine from Rajkot and starting our mechanical workshop. With the addition of a radial drilling machine, we expanded our operations, including the job work of railway plates. By 1997 to 98, we had a fleet of machines for auto feed machines, 3 lathe machines, and 1 grinding machine, all running seamlessly. 1999 marked a significant milestone as we established a 3,000-square-foot workshop in Dairy. Equipped with 6 lathe machines and 10 auto feed machines, our facility ran in 2 shifts, catering to increasing demand with efficiency and precision. In 2018, we entered the defense sector, starting with an advanced CNC machine from L&W. Collaborating with DRDO, we worked on the exoskeleton project to reduce soldiers' physical load. By January 2021, our prototype was presented to Army DGMM Narravain, who appreciated our design and gave us valuable suggestions. Our innovations, like spring and clutch mechanisms, successfully reduced the strain on soldiers' knees, enabling smoother movements even under heavy loads. 2022 was a breakthrough year as we ventured into robotics and automation. We achieved success with projects like the quad-pad robot and an automatic flap-folding gear system. Additionally, we worked on high-altitude gensets and specialized defense containers, further strengthening our expertise and innovation. Today, ACCU Design is at the forefront of engineering and innovation, actively working in diverse fields such as defense, aerospace MRO, EPC, solar and battery storage, agri-tech, biofuel energy. With a vision to revolutionize industries, ACCU Design is continuously expanding its horizons and contributing to a sustainable, innovative future. At ACCU Design, we believe in crafting excellence through innovation, precision, and commitment. Your trust drives our passion, and together, we shape a brighter tomorrow.